Hey, what's up, guys? 2020 Mayhem here. I was going to make another Asli Tarcan video about how to do research and in that type of category, but there's a lot of comments that keep on who constantly keep on pushing Asli Tarcan as being reputable and like dependable and giving you a good transplant. I know there's going to be good results from Asli Tarcan. There's going to be good results from pretty much any transplant clinic that is advertising. They're always going to show the good results. And there's actually going to be some people who actually get good results. But that percentage is going to be super low. So let's say if there's 10 people going. If there's 10 people going to Asli Tarcan one day, maybe only 1 or 2 people are going to get good results. I can guarantee you it's not 10 people going there one day. It's not going to be 10 people coming out 12 months later with a good transplant. But as I was saying, there's a lot of people commenting underneath the original YouTube video saying, I went to Asli Tarcan, I got good results. Which, I mean, if you're doing 10 plus, maybe the most, let's say 15, at least one of those are going to have to come out good. But this video is more for you guys that are the Asli Tarcan dick riders, because I guess this is the type of video you guys wanted me to push out, or you guys expect people to push out. But these are the type of videos that you find the ignorant people, the dummies, pretty much. They'll make these type of videos and they're happy with the results. I don't know if they know that the results aren't up to par or not, but these are the videos that they make. This is the car edition video. There's like 3 different types. There's the bathroom, there's the outside, and then there's the car video. These are the videos that you see the YouTubers that are supporting Asli Tarcan or who are just ignorant. They make these type of videos. Again, I don't support Asli Tarcan. Asli Tarcan, they need to get they need to go out of business, honestly. This is crazy what they're doing, but here it is.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's my 14-month Asli Tarcan video update, and I'm about to show you guys the results. As you guys can see, the donor area is in perfect condition. It's in perfect condition. Let's actually show you guys the actual transplant now. You can also see the recipient area is beautiful. It's so thick. I'm super happy with what I got. Asli Tarcan, they did their thing. They got your boy right. As you can see, the donor area is really good still. And yo, check out my new song I just released. There's not a lot to complain about though. I couldn't be more happy with the results I got. Asli Tarcan's the best. I'm just so happy with my results right now. I don't know what else. And as you can see, the donor area is good, the top is good, everything's perfect. I couldn't be happier with my results. I couldn't. So just know that they got your boy right. And again, as I said, the donor area, it's untouched. It looks like no work was even there. So go check out Asli Tarcan. They'll get you right. They got your boy right. They'll get you right too. Go check him out.
Now this type of comment right here, this makes me wonder why I even made videos. Like this makes me question my purpose in posting these videos, because really I don't know. If you're one of these guys, take pictures before and after, and hopefully we can see your results, and hopefully they come out good. But please document it for us, because honestly, I'm giving you guys the rundown here. I wouldn't have posted these videos. I'm trying to make these videos bring attention to what these clinics are doing, bro. And you guys are still trying to go. I mean, I don't know what to tell you, but please keep us up to date. Before and afters, please. Good luck.
To you, Spencer, and to you, Joe, for guiding me in the right direction, because there are so many people who have been guided in the wrong direction. I called in last week and I talked about this gentleman. I think he's an English fellow who has a YouTube channel called rateThisClinic, and he's been taking calls from other people who have gone through specific clinics, and they show some of the butchery. Like this one guy, he just put up his video recently where he was showing his donor area, and this is an African American gentleman, and he showed a picture of the extraction of the donor area immediately post surgery, and his skin was paler than me.
Yeah,
I mean, that's how badly they messed him up. And a year later, all he's getting is wispies that are growing back. What they did to him was just, it was criminal.
It's criminal, man. It's fucking